In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to your Wix website. This straightforward process will enable you to accept payments seamlessly, providing a convenient payment option for your customers. Let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Wix account. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to wix.com. Once you're there, click on the sign in button, which you'll find typically in the upper right corner of the page. Enter your credentials such as your email and password and get logged in. If you're managing multiple sites, make sure you select the specific one where you want to integrate PayPal. You can then enter either the Wix editor or Wix Studio depending on where you prefer to make your customizations. Now that you've logged in and selected your site, it's time to navigate to the payment settings. From your Wix dashboard, look towards the menu on the left side of the screen. Here you'll find a section labeled Settings. Click on that to expand more options. What you're looking for is an option labeled Accept Payments. Go ahead and click on that, which will take you to a page displaying multiple payment methods available on Wix. This page will include options like Wix payments, credit card payments, and most importantly for us, PayPal. The next step is to connect your PayPal account to your Wix site. Look for the option marked Connect PayPal and click on it. This action will prompt you to input your PayPal business email address. It's important to note that this should be a business account rather than a personal one, as business accounts are designed to handle these types of transactions. Enter the email address associated with your PayPal business account. Once you've entered your information, follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts will guide you through the process of logging into your PayPal account and granting the necessary permissions for Wix to process payments. You'll need to authorize these permissions to ensure that transactions through your site can be handled smoothly. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've successfully connected PayPal to your Wix site, allowing you to accept payments from your customers with ease. Remember, offering PayPal as a payment option can enhance your customers' experience, providing them with a trusted and popular choice of payment method. Plus, it helps streamline your checkout process by leveraging the robust transaction platforms of both Wix and PayPal. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Be sure to check back for more helpful tips on making your website the best it can be.